Sony is gearing up to release a camera that could change everything for filmmakers and creators. A camera packed with surprises that go beyond just specs. Imagine having a tiltable electronic viewfinder for the first time in a Sony camera, a built-in cooling fan that lets you shoot 4K 60p videos without limits, and AI autofocus, so precise it feels like it reads your mind. But here's the catch. Despite these powerful features, the FX2 hides some unexpected compromises that have everyone asking, is this the future of cinema cameras, or a clever mix of pros and cons? In this video, we'll break down every spec, every innovation, and every hidden detail about the rumored Sony FX2, so you can decide if it's the right camera for your creative journey. Stick around, because what you're about to learn might just redefine how you see filmmaking. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want more insider breakdowns like this. But first, let's uncover every detail about the Sony FX2 specs and what they mean for you. Here's the kicker. Sony is reportedly integrating a tiltable electronic viewfinder, EVF, something never seen on any Sony camera before. The tiltable EVF was first introduced by Panasonic on their GX9 and quickly became a favorite for flexible shooting angles. Why does this matter? Most filmmakers struggle when shooting at awkward angles, especially outdoors in bright light, because the viewfinder or LCD can be hard to see. With a tiltable EVF, you can recompose your shot while hand-holding the camera comfortably, even in challenging light. This isn't just a minor convenience. It could transform handheld cinematography and make your shots smoother, more precise, and faster to execute. Imagine capturing that perfect low-angle tracking shot without crouching or straining your neck. This feature alone could make the FX2 a game-changer for run-and-gun filmmakers. Under the hood, the FX2 packs the same 33MP full-frame CMOS sensor found in the Sony A7 IV. At first, this might sound underwhelming. Many expected a brand-new sensor. But here's the twist. This sensor is already known for its stellar image quality, dynamic range, and low-light performance. It's a proven winner. The question that has haunted A7 IV users has been overheating during extended 4K video recording. This is where the FX2 really stands out. Sony is reportedly adding a built-in fan for the first time in an entry-level cinema camera. Why is this huge? Because overheating is a nightmare for filmmakers shooting long takes or event coverage. The FX2's fan means you can record 4K 60p video in Super 35mm mode for unlimited time without worrying about the camera shutting down. Think about it. A compact camera capable of continuous 4K 60p recording without overheating? That's unheard of at this price point and opens doors for indie filmmakers, documentary creators, and even vloggers wanting cinema-quality footage without bulky rigs. Sony's cameras are famous for their autofocus, but the FX2 steps it up with the latest BIONZ XR image processor paired with advanced AI autofocus algorithms. What does this mean in real terms? The camera will track subjects with near-human intuition, whether it's a runner crossing a field or a bird in flight. The FX2 can lock on and keep perfect focus. For filmmakers, this is a huge deal because it means less worrying about focus pulls and more time capturing storytelling moments. The FX2 supports 4K 60 FPS video, but only in Super 35mm mode with a 1.5x crop. On paper, this sounds impressive. However, this crop means the field of view narrows, which can be limiting for wide shots. Why is this happening? It's because the sensor readout has limitations at high frame rates. But here's some insider speculation. Sony could unlock full-frame 4K 60p in the future using pixel binning or line skipping, though that's not confirmed yet. So while the 1.5x crop might frustrate some users, it's a trade-off Sony is making to ensure stable, high-quality video performance at 60 FPS. For serious filmmakers, audio quality is non-negotiable. The FX2 offers 32-bit float audio support via XLR inputs, a feature usually reserved for high-end cinema cameras. What's special about 32-bit float? It gives an enormous dynamic range and prevents audio clipping, allowing you to capture clean, detailed sound in even the loudest environments, no matter if you're shooting a concert or a quiet dialogue scene. This shows Sony is targeting professionals and serious creators, not just casual users. In a world rushing towards digital and electronic shutters, Sony is holding onto the mechanical shutter in the FX2. Why? Mechanical shutters reduce rolling shutter effects and are preferred by photographers for crisp still images. This keeps the FX2 versatile, a hybrid for both stunning video and high-quality photography. Initial reports say the FX2 is slightly thicker than the FX3, mainly because of the tilting EVF and internal fan. The design looks different from Sony's traditional boxy cinema cameras, more ergonomic and ready for handheld shooting. This design shift suggests Sony is listening to real-world creators who want performance without sacrificing comfort or portability. The Sony FX2 is shaping up to be a fascinating blend of innovative features, refined sensor technology, and groundbreaking thermal management that could change the game for compact cinema cameras. Early rumors suggest Sony is pushing boundaries once again, this time by offering unlimited 4K 60p recording, something that was previously hindered by overheating in smaller form factors. But this time, Sony appears to be implementing advanced heat dissipation techniques to eliminate that problem entirely. Coupled with next-gen AI-powered autofocus and a first-of-its-kind tiltable electronic viewfinder, the FX2 is looking to redefine what a professional-grade, compact cinema camera can offer. For independent filmmakers, travel vloggers, and documentary creators craving high-quality video capture without the typical overheating issues or the need to carry large, bulky rigs, the FX2 could be the breakthrough they've been waiting for. Its compact design promises to retain the essence of portability while packing a punch with features once reserved for larger cinema systems. However, there's one question that's already sparking heated discussion. Will Sony finally remove the frustrating crop in 4K 60p, or will that limitation still hold back some creators? And beyond that, how will the FX2 stand up to stiff competition from Canon, Panasonic, and Blackmagic in this price-performance segment? Only time, and some real-world testing, will reveal whether this camera lives up to the hype or not. But one thing's for sure, Sony is aiming to make a serious statement with this release. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and catch every leak, reveal, and review about the FX2 and the rapidly evolving world of filmmaking tech, be sure to hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications so you don't miss a beat. Thanks so much for watching. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What's the one feature in the rumored FX2 that has you most excited? Or maybe there's a spec you're skeptical about. Drop your opinion in the comments, and let's get the conversation going. Until then, I'll see you in the next deep dive where we uncover even more about the future of filmmaking.